Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making a cell phone stand with glitter and foils. So let's jump in and get started. I already mixed up my resin and my glitters off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin and your glitters and pigments, I will link one of my tutorials down below. Be sure to go check that out. So when I use foils, I like to pour in layers. What I'm doing here is pouring in a thin layer of the liquid diamonds resin. I like to use liquid diamonds for projects like this because it's very thin. It's a really super thin viscosity and it has hardly any bubbles. So I like to use liquid diamonds for these projects. I poured a tiny bit in my mold of that liquid diamonds, just plain clear. I'm adding my foils down and I'm adding them, gold side down because I want the gold to show. And what I do is just place it in my resin and then push it down. So that way all the air bubbles get out and you'll see the air that's trapped under there. Just push it down and then go in and spray it with some 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop those bubbles. And that's pretty much it for the first step. I get my foils from Joyce Artwork. I'll link her website down below, but you can also get them on Etsy. So here we are the next day. We're going to go in and finish this up. I'm going to be using some gorgeous glitters from Laura's Art Corner, Disco Ball, Starlight, and Lilac. I'll be sure to link them down below as well. I also had a little bit of resin left over, so I wanted to pour a snowflake and some earrings with this gorgeous disco ball glitter. It's a super fine holographic glitter, and I got to name this one too, so I was really excited about that. So what you do with your glitters, this is just a second layer. Just go in and pour that in right on top of your foils and your first layer of resin that's already set up. I'm using the liquid diamonds again for this layer. And I have a discount code for you too if you guys want to get some to try. I'll link it down below. You can get 20% off. Like I said, the liquid diamonds is really good for projects like this in molds. And I'm just going in, as you can see, and filling up the mold with the different glitters. No rhyme or reason, just kind of mixing it up, putting some purple in the middle. And I actually really love the lilac glitter. It's got such a fun sparkle. I sprayed it again with some 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop bubbles, covered it up, let it dry for 24 hours, and then we'll be ready to demold it. So here we are 24 hours later. I'm going to show you how the pretty earrings turned out, and I'll link all these molds down below in the description box if you guys want to check them out. And I also really love my new pink silicone mat from Dryer Days Art Studio. She has these available in her shop if you want to get one. I'll link it down below along with my coupon code. It's really great to protect your table, and then if you get any resin spills or any resin drips, I like to take a lint roller and just go in and lint roll the top of the silicone mat, and any resin drips peel right off. So here it is all demolded. Check out how pretty those glitters are, and the foils are just gorgeous. Foils are so much fun to work with, and they're pretty easy to use. You can make your own foils, but you do need a laser jet printer. My printer is an inkjet printer, so I just buy my foils, and it's nice because you support small businesses as well when you're doing that. So if you want to try foils and resin, they really have foils for everything that you could imagine. There's some really awesome designs out there on Etsy. So what I like to do is just go on Etsy and I'll search, gold foils for resin, and tons of different ones will pop up. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I think that this turned out really nice. This is such a fun project, and it's pretty easy to do as well. Great for beginners. This cell phone stand mold I got off Etsy as well. I think it was around $15. So not too bad, and these make great gifts as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help out my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye!